Want to prevent your Dell docking station from constantly charging your laptop? Here's how. The easiest method is through software. Dell's Peripheral Manager app, updated in 2025, lets you toggle charging on or off. Alternatively, in Windows, go to Power Options, then Change Plan Settings, and change Advanced Power Settings. Under Battery, set charging mode to off or disabled. For a hardware solution, simply disconnect the AC adapter from the dock or use a USB-C cable that doesn't support power delivery. Advanced users can disable charging in the BIOS settings, usually accessed by pressing F2 during startup. Navigate to Power Management, then USB-C charging to turn it off. Looking ahead, expect smart charging features that learn your usage patterns to optimize battery health and automatically stop charging when not needed. Future docking stations may even harvest energy from connected peripherals. These advancements aim to extend battery lifespan and reduce e-waste.